mastering either and neither in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our session today. We will dive deep into the world of English quantifiers. Specifically, we will focus on either and neither. These words might seem simple, but they play a crucial role in shaping our sentences. So, let's get started. In English, we use either and neither when referring to two things or people. Either is used to indicate one or the other of two people or things, while neither implies not one or the other of two people or things. For example, 1. You can sit either at the front or the back of the class. 2. Neither the red shirt nor the blue one fits me well. Either is most commonly used in negative sentences or in sentences with a negative meaning. When either is used in a sentence, it means it doesn't matter which. Here are a few examples. 1. I don't mind what we eat. I like either fish or chicken. 2. You can contact me either by email or phone. Remember, either is used for only two things or people, not for three or more. On the other hand, neither is used to mean not one or the other of two. It's used when the two things or people are not doing something, or when they are not in a particular state. Examples: 1. Neither John nor Mary was able to answer the question. 2. He has two shirts, but neither fits him well. Now that we've seen either and neither in action, let's do some practice exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with either or neither. 1. Blank, Jack nor Jill was able to climb the hill. 2. You can use blank, the red pen or the black pen to sign the document. Exercise 2. Write your own sentences using either and neither. This will help reinforce what you've learned. And that's a wrap. Remember, mastering these quantifiers is a stepping stone in your English learning journey. Use either when you're referring to any one of the two options and neither when you want to indicate that both options do not apply. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until next time, happy learning!